Alright dudes, so today we brought out the dirt bikes. We got the whole family here. We got all the bikes. My little brother's over there killing it. As you guys can see, in his little Honda. My brother's over there on the quad with my pops. And then we have my girlfriend. This right here, guys, is Sophia, my girlfriend. It was my neighbor, but you know, I felt like saying, hey, you know,
we upgraded.
Why not just make her my girlfriend? So today, guys,
oh, and QQ.
Oh yeah, where's Q?
Right here.
Hi, Q!
Say hi to the Diesel family, Q.
Hi, Q!
Hi.
Yeah. So, guys, let me show you guys our bikes before we even start. This bad boy here. Wait, let me show you mine because it just has to go first. All right, so we have a Yamaha here, guys, 125. This is my bad boy right here. This is my brother over there is having issues starting his bike, so they're trying to pull start it. See, I'm a real pro out here, so I don't do stuff like that. So we have this Honda. This is 125. This is like nobody's bike, but it's brand new, and it's fast. This is my bike, and it's Ryan's. Hi, sister. Hi. That's old Squeezer. That's our Chooks right there. Hi, Chooks. You guys both look great this morning, I tell you. All right, and then we have Q's brand new PW 50 bike right here, guys. It has the training wheels on it, and he's gonna rip that. Uh-oh, look at him, guys. He's ready. Are you ready, Q? Yeah. Are you gonna rip it up? Yeah. Yeah. Hey, babe. What are you doing?
I'm about to get on this big ass bike.
So Sophia wants to use Daddy Bear's bike because you know.
The only problem is I'm a little showing my feet.
Yeah, she's only 5'1", so she doesn't really fit too much on the bike. But today, guys, is a very special day because before we came over here, we hit the ATM and we're gonna do a little friendly cash bet, okay? Huh?
Diesel family.
What do you want to say, Diesel family? I can't hear what you say because your mom's bike's over there. He wants to show you guys his bike, PW50. It's a whole Yamaha family going on. Whoa! Whoa! Dangerous. If your girlfriend don't ride dirt bikes, break up with her, man. I'm telling you. You gotta get a girl that rides with you. Whoa, my little brother's smashing. Tyler! Whoa! There goes Sophia. Whoa! Roll it! I think she needs training wheels too, guys. Please don't try and take off fast, babe. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Okay. I think she needs a 4-stroke, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, Q? Okay, Q wants to show. Whoa, slow down, baby girl. All right. Yes, Q?
Can you do this for me?
Do what? Your goggles? They don't fit?
No, this.
Oh, start it?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, Q wants to ride his bike. We're gonna go for a ride right now. And then me and Sophia hit the ATM earlier, guys, and we're doing a friendly little wager, little bet to see who can win at a race. Me versus her, Yamaha 125, YZ 125 versus CR 2-stroke 125. So hold on, guys, my little brother's smashing. Slow down, dude! Guys, my little brother is seriously smashing that thing. Dude, he almost fell like twice. Anyways, we're doing this bet. As soon as Sophia comes back, guys, me versus her, we're gonna race for time, speed, and we're gonna be aggressive on the track, guys. So smash the like button, Diesel family. Right here, hanging out with the whole family, riding bikes, having fun. That's my sister Alazizi right there. And that's my little brother Tyler right there, going crazy on the little CR70. Looks like Bowser. Go, bro!
Very windblown. All right, you guys. It's been 3 days, no water, no food.
We ate 2 coyotes.
I don't know.
Some rats.
Yeah, I mean, we're running out of supplies here, you guys, and our Polaris is a piece of junk. Listen to this. And we're literally in the middle of nowhere. So we're just gonna have to start a life out here, you know? Naked and let's just strip down.
Yeah.
Naked and afraid. Yeah, I'm not sure what we're gonna do. We're gonna have to haul this shit back to the campsite. But if you can see, I can't zoom on this GoPro, but our car is literally all the way over there. Help! 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 My God, you guys honestly. Go ahead, babe. Riding off into the sunset. The man of my dreams. Just kidding. He farted on his way out and it smelled so bad.
What's wrong with that? There's no gas.
And coming around the corner, we have number 36. Number 36, his name is Derek Deso, former YouTuber, now a motocross racer. He spends his time in the valleys of Nevada, chasing the dirt. Roll it! Come on, man. Oh yeah, he's in first place right now, ladies and gentlemen. He's about to eat it. Ooh, get some air, baby. Oh yeah. Honestly, you guys do not know sexy until you see your man on a rocket like this one. Oh yeah, baby, round that bush. Come on. Watch him get some air, guys. Just kidding, you slow down. Oh yeah.
Hey, my name is Matt Hoffman, ladies. If you guys want to be with a single rider, let me know. Hop on the back.
He's actually not.
Matt Hoffman.
No.
And I'm out.
Okay, babe.
Ladies. That's my girl. There goes Ryan, guys. Whoa!
My socks are eating my shoes.
Okay, listen.
Baby,
What happened?
It's my toenail.
Alright, we got young Johnny Knoxville. We got an old man in a weird dirt bike suit over here and a really small bike. Are you ready, bud?
Yes.
Okay, you guys, I'm a little nervous.
Alright guys, welcome to Derek's Motorsports. Today we have little Quincy, his first time riding a dirt bike. We have here a little PW50. You ready?
We're gonna go
hop
off.
on, bud. Thank you. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna give it a little bit of gas, okay?
Only a little.
Not too much. Go, a little bit.
Only a little.
Go, a little bit. Go. Just a little bit, not too much.
There you go.
Come on. There you go. Come get me. A little bit. Not too much.
There you go, just a little bit.
Good job. A little bit more.
There you go.
Come on, cute.
Good job, bud.
Go. Let's be a tripod, baby.
Watch the rock, you got it.
Come on. Look at me. Look at me. Drive.
Good job, bud.
Come on, you got it.
Go ahead,
I'm trying to give it gas.
Going
Give
over
it
the
gas.
rock, bud. He's got
A
it.
little bit of gas. Go. Gas it.
Go ahead, baby.
Oh, the governor won't let him.
The rock.
Cool though, that's good to
Go ahead.
know.
Go ahead, baby.
Gas it.
Go ahead, baby. Give it some gas.
All the way. There you go.
There you
Good
go.
job. There you go.
Yeah.
Look at me. Okay. Go down a little bit. Thank you. Stop
Remember your brakes.
Stop.
Remember your brakes.
Your brakes right here, okay?
Remember those brakes,
That's how
Boogie.
you stop, okay? Okay? And this is also how you stop, okay? You don't hold, but don't hold them. Don't hold them unless you have to stop. Keep your hand like that. Go like this. Put this one over here. Right here. There you go. Keep this on the brake, okay? Just in case you have to pull it. Go ahead. Don't get me.
Go ahead, baby.
Good job. Lean forward. Good job. Lean forward like this. Good job.
There you go.
Good job. That's how you do it.
There you
There
go.
you do it. Good job, Q. Alright, good job. Good job.
Good job, Boogie.
Alright, good job.
Good job, bro.
You like it? Yeah?
You did
Good
so
job.
good. What the heck? How'd you get so good at that?
You want to keep going? Alright, come on.
You want to go off some
Come
jumps?
over here.
Yeah, that's
we'll
right.
come
So
over
you
here.
got to stop when there's a car.
Give a little bit of gas.
Cannot believe it's so good.
Yeah?
Oh, sister.
Alright,
Let's go, sis. You got this.
take it. Come on. There you go. Okay. Keep your brake. Good job.
Good job, bud.
See? Use your brake. Stop. Okay. So don't hold the brake in, Q. Don't hold the brake in.
Only when you want to stop.
Only when you need to stop, hold that, okay? But you don't have to stop right now, so go ahead.
Come up here.
There you go. Not too much gas. No brake. Just gas.
Just gas.
Gas. Hold back on the gas. There you go. Good job.
There you go. Do it again.
Lean forward, remember? Yeah, lean forward.
Keep going. Gas. Gas.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah.
Good stop. That's how you feel it. See how you stop, babe?
Yeah.
Good job.
Good stop, bud. You're a pro.
Here. Come on. Hold the ball. Right there. Hold it right there. Here for me. There you go.
Aw.
There you go. Good job. There you go.
Good job, bud.
See, you got the brake. See? Good job, okay?
Oh,
what you did? When you want to stop,
be camera woman.
stop, just hold out, okay? Good job. High five.
Yeah, good job.
More gas. Hey, come on, come get me. Hey, Q. How was your first ride? You like it? You want to go again? Yeah.
You're killing it, baby.
All right, let's get some water to take a break, and it's my turn to bring out my toy.
Oh, God.
Ladies, let's go. I got a lot of comments recently. It's so funny because people be like, stop calling your girlfriend your neighbor. Clearly, it's sarcasm. Clearly, it's a joke. I have the happiest girlfriend out of any girlfriend watching this video. I promise you that. I do everything for my girl, and I'm proud to say she's my girlfriend. That's a joke for those who didn't know the neighbor joke. Anyways, guys, so my brother's coming down right now on his 125. He had to buy a spark plug because it wouldn't fire. And we have Sophia riding mountains way out there, guys. But here's my brother right here. He's about to jump this big water pile right here. See all that water? He's about to jump it. Oh, he went around. Wow. Whoa! Whoa! I don't know why he's twerking on the bike, putting his butt out. But he's riding it. He's going for it. Anyways, guys, the moment you guys all been waiting for, me and Sophia are gonna go to the track, throw the GoPros on, and see what footage we can get, and see who actually win this race and win 10 grand, guys. It's kind of like one of those bets where it's like, I'm betting 5 grand, she wins 5 grand, but if I win the 10 grand, I'm gonna spend it on us anyways, and she's gonna spend it on us anyways, whoever wins. But it's just like a friendly bet to see who can win, the Yamaha or the Honda. Whoa! Whoa! You're fast, bro! Whoa!
You ain't even grab, bro.
Yeah! What's up, Ty? Tyler! Where you going? You're right. That's Tyler. That's my little brother, guys. Right there. Hey, Ty. You out here riding the 125? Ladies, he's single. He's on the market. He's looking for a girlfriend. He goes to JD Smith. Ladies, don't try and run from it, Tyler.
Ladies.
All right, uh-oh. Here comes Yamaha Sophia.
Here she comes on that two-stroker.
Oh, she's standing up? Oh, no.
That thing, bro.
Dude.
She definitely
Whoa! Whoa! Wow, good job, babe. You're so pretty.
Yeah, reach the bottom.
What? You're pretty, babe.
Thanks, babe. My name's Tammy Tam. This is what I do for a living. Aw.
Good job, babe. High five.
Thanks.
Yeah. All right, guys. Now it's time for the girlfriend versus boyfriend Yamaha 125's Honda CR race. Derek Diso, $10,000 cash bet. Me versus my neighbor. I brought the joke back. Let's go, guys. yes, guys, the time on the race, Sophia's lap was like, what, 2 minutes to go a mile? Yeah, 2 minutes. My lap time is about 21 seconds in a quarter mile. So I'm gonna give a big shout out to me and Yamaha. And, you know,
I think it's more about like who has the most control. And that's
yeah, you definitely won that one then, yeah.